Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.3846 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.3120 1.4143. The earlier day close, 1.3622. The change was plus 0.0224, plus 1.64%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 12, cost 1.32 rands, high 1.41, low 1.23. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 1.32 rands, high 1.41, low 1.23. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.26 rands, high 1.35, low 1.17. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 22, cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. In about 14 days Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.24 rands, high 1.33, low 1.15. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 26, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.20 rands, high 1.28, low 1.12. In about a month Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.15 rands, high 1.23, low 1.07. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.07 rands, high 1.14, low 1.00. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 1.12 rands, high 1.20, low 1.04. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.50, while low cost 1.15. The found the middle value of cost 1.35. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.30. Change for May 10.3%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.30 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.40, while low cost 1.00. The found the middle value of cost 1.24. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.24. Change for June 4.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.24 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.41, while low cost 1.23. The found the middle value of cost 1.30. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.32. Change for July 6.5%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.32 rands. Excessive cost 1.32, while low cost 1.13. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.25. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.22. Change for August 7.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.22 rands. Excessive cost 1.22, while low cost 1.01. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.14. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.09. Change for September 10.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.09 rands. Excessive cost 1.35, while low cost 1.09. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.20. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.26. Change for October 15.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1.26 rands. Excessive cost 1.26, while low cost 0.99. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.14. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.06. Change for November 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.06 rands. Excessive cost 1.06, while low cost 0.83. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.96. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.89. Change for December 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 0.89 rands. Excessive cost 1.10, while low cost 0.89. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.98. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.03. Change for January 15.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.03 rands. Excessive cost 1.18, while low cost 1.02. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.08. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.10. Change for February 6.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 1.10 rands. Excessive cost 1.10, while low cost 0.95. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.04. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.02. Change for spring 7.3%. Dogecoin figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 1.02 rands. Excessive cost 1.14, while low cost 1.00. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.06. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.07. Change for April 4.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 1.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.07, while low cost 0.84. They found the middle value of cost 0.97. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.90. Change for May 15.9%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.7222 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.7070-0.7622. The earlier days nearby 0.7341. Change for now 0.0119. 1.62%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.714 coins, high 0.7.